Hi, I'm Charlotte, bed expert here at Land of Beds, and today I'm going to show you what to expect when you buy a mattress that's rolled up and vacuum packed. Increasing in popularity every year, a rolled up mattress or a bed in a box is a great way of getting a mattress into your room if you have quite hard access. This might be a loft conversion, spiral stairways, or even just low ceilings. This could be the perfect solution for you. When the mattress first arrives, it will either come in a bag like this one, or it will come in a box. Now, when it comes to unpacking your mattress, I would personally suggest you get a friend or a family member to help you with this because they're still quite heavy. Top tip, if you are going to use scissors to take the packaging off, please be careful that you don't go through the bag and cut your new mattress. Right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is remove the mattress from its packaging. Depending on how your mattress arrives, you will either need to take off the bag layer or remove it from its box. And just a reminder, if you are going to use scissors, please be careful when doing so that you don't go through and damage your lovely new mattress. Once you've removed all the layers of packaging, you can then continue to take off the last layer, which is when you'll first see your mattress start to expand. Once all the packaging is removed, make sure your mattress is on your bed base the right way up. Safely discard the packaging and leave your mattress to fully expand. So, as you can see, it's pretty quick. However, when you first get your mattress, don't be tempted to use it right away. We do suggest you give it at least 2 to 4 hours so the mattress has a chance to fully expand. So if you think a rolled up and vacuum packed mattress is the right product for you, get in touch with a bed expert here at Land of Beds and we'll suggest the right item for you. And did you know we also have a blog? It's a great thing to check out if you're looking for sleep advice and tips here at Land of Beds.